fam? Welcome back to the Magnolia Molasses vlog. I am Crystal. Today is my Reset Wednesday for me and my refrigerator, honey. My refrigerator. We are resetting our refrigerator because I am a homesteading mother of 6. Things get kind of busy around here. By the middle of the week, the fridge is not looking its best. It might have a little crumb here and there. And we just need to clean it out and reset it, get things back in order so that we can go about the rest of the week with a clean refrigerator, bake all the things, cook all the things, and enjoy family time together and not have to clean on the weekend. So come along with me as I clean my refrigerator today and reset my refrigerator so it will inevitably reset my family and we will enjoy our meals for the rest of the week. And I hope that you rock with me, and I hope that this gives you some motivation also to reset your refrigerator so that your family can be blessed by organization and orderliness in your refrigerator. Let's go. are finally finished. It is nice and crumb free in here and clean. We have reset for this Wednesday. I have some yogurt and a few other things out. So I'm gonna put those things back in the refrigerator and it's gonna be a wrap. So that's it, fam. We are finished. We have finished our Reset Wednesday for the refrigerator. So I hope you all enjoyed that and that you were inspired to go and reset your own refrigerator. Clean out the crummy crumb. Reset it back to a nice and pleasing, clean environment for your food that feeds your family. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, hit that like, comment, and subscribe. And until then, we'll see you soon.